Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix failed to connect to server error and unexpected error occurred in the Hytale game. So if you are getting this error in the Hytale game, then here follow the fixes. So the first fix is to change the in-game language. So open Hytale launcher, click on play. Just wait. Now go to settings and here you will see the language in the general tab. Here you will see use system language is selected. So click on this and select English US and then click on save changes and then you can check if a problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2, check date and time, sync date and time. So make sure that the date and time on your windows are correct. Also sync date and time and then check. So right click on this date and time and then click on adjust date and time. It will open the date and time settings. Make sure the date is correctly set up on your PC. Scroll down in the additional settings, click on sync now option. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then fix 3 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewalls. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Then click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. And then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now first of all, allow the Hytale launcher. So open this PC, open C drive, open program files folder, open Hypixel Studios folder, open Hytale launcher, select Hytale launcher exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder, open roaming folder, open Hytale folder, open install folder, open release folder, open package folder, open game folder, open latest folder, open client folder, and then select Hytale client exe file and then click open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, then click on allow another app, then click on browse, and then go to the Hytale launcher folder first of all. So open C drive, open program files, open Hypixel Studios folder, open Hytale launcher, select Hytale launcher exe file, then click on open and then click on add. In my case, it is already added. Here you can see Hytale launcher is already added. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark. Then again click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder, open Hytale folder, open install folder, release, package, game, latest folder, client folder, select Hytale client exe file and then click open and then click on add. In my case, it is already added. Here you can see, and make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, Avicii, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 4 is to flushdns. So in Windows search type cmd and open command prompt as an administrator. Click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt you have to enter this code one by one. You can copy paste this code from my video description, paste it and then hit enter. Copy the second command, paste it and hit enter. Copy the third command, paste it and then hit enter. Now you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So close the command prompt, just restart your PC. Make sure to restart your PC, it is a must. And then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve failed to connect to server error and unexpected error occurred in the Hytale game on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.